Namo Namah students, welcome to all of you in this 10th standard ICB batch Sanskrit Sayukta. Now through this session we are going to discuss three important things. First of all we are going to discuss about reduced syllabus. The next one is paper pattern and time management. So let's start with the reduced syllabus. So according to our government circular, we have two lessons which are reduced from our syllabus. That is lesson number 8, Nadi Suktam, which was for translation. That is Gadya, and the second one is Manavta Dharma, that is Padya, poetry for translation. So only two topics which were for translation are reduced. Purna Patha was Swadhyaya reduced. That means the entire lesson and exercise is cancelled from this syllabus. Then Abhyas Patram 4. So in Abhyas Patram 4, that is page number 63 in your textbook. Part 11, that is lesson number 11, base जितने भी questions है, all those questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, all those questions based on lesson number 11 are cancelled. So please mark these questions in your textbook, page number 63, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the important tip, important instruction is given here, that is शालेय वर्ष 2020-21 करता होणाऱ्या मूल्यमापनातून संस्कृत संयुक्त संस्कृत इयत्ता 10वी संपूर्ण व संयुक्त या इयत्तांकरता वरील पाठ्यघटक वगळण्यात आलेले आहेत. मीन्स द गिवन टू टॉपिक्स आर कॅन्सल फ्रॉम द सिलेबस. अंतर्गत मूल्यमापन तसेच वार्षिक परीक्षा यामध्ये या घटकांवर आधारित कोणत्याही कृती विचारल्या जाऊ नये. मीन्स nothing will be asked from these two topics in your board exam. But the second tip is very important, that वगळण्यात आलेल्या वरील घटकांना पाठांना जोडून आलेले व्याकरणाचे कोणतेही घटक, कृती तसेच इतर भाषिक कृती इत्यादी वगळण्यात आलेले नाही. Means the grammar based on these two topics will be asked. त्यांचे अध्ययन अध्यापन होणे आवश्यक आहे. So learning the grammar based question based on these two topics is important. So let's move on to the Kruti Patrikaya Prarupam, that is paper pattern and time management. Now, as we know, our paper is divided in 4 sections. The first section, that is known as Prathamaha Vibhag, that is Sugama Sanskritam. Now this first section, Sugama Sanskritam, is for 6 marks. Which we have to solve in 10 minutes. In this question, we have 3 sub-questions. Question number 1, Chitram Drushtva Namani Likata. So in our textbook, page number 1, 2, 3, some pictures are given. So all those 3 pages are important for this question. Any 4 pictures from those 3 pages will be given. We have to write the names of those pictures as the answer. So each word we have to write on new line, and we have to put danda, that is full stop, after writing every word. Then question number 2, question number 1, that is Sankhyaha Aksharaihi Ankaihi Likata. For this question, we have to prepare spellings of number 1 to 100, number names 1 to 100 in Sanskrit. Which we have learned in 9th standard. Then question 1E, that is Samaya Stamba Melanam Kuruta. For this question, 2 columns will be given. In one column, Samaya will be given in word, and second column, Samaya will be given in number. So we have to just match the column by writing right option of the answer in front of the question. We have to write the section A as it is, column A as it is, and we have to write the answers of the same by putting dash in front of the question. So in this way, this 6 marks we can easily score in exam. So You have to solve this question within 10 minutes. That is very easy. Let's move on to the next section, that is Dvitiyah Vibhagah. Dvitiyah Vibhagah Gadyam. Now in second question, that is Gadyansham Patitva Krutihi Kuruta. Gadyansham Patitva Kruti Kuruta. Important lessons are lesson number 1, Adya Krushakah Rutuvainya. Lesson number 2, Vesane Mitra Pariksha. Lesson number 4, Saeva Paramanu. And lesson number 9, Adi Shankaracharya. So only 4 lessons are there for this question. Question 2a. Please note down in your notebook. Lesson number 1, 2, 4 and 9. These 4 topics are important for this question. Question 2a. And all these questions, Avabodhanam and Shabdadnyanam. Avabodhanam, Uchitam Karanam and Uchitam Paryayam, Chitva Likata will be asked from Abhyas Patram. This question will be asked from Abhyas Patram 1, 2, 3, 4. Then Kah Kam Vadati Purnavakyena Uttarata from exercise. Again Vakyam Punarlikitva Satyam Va Asatyam from exercise. These 2 from exercise. And Vakyam Punarlikitva Satyam Va Asatyam Likata. This question will be asked from Abhyas Patram. Then next question is very important and new. That is Esha Gadyansha Kasmat Pathat Udrutah. So we have to write the name of the lesson. And we have to replace the name of that lesson by, we have to replace this word Kasmat by writing the name of the lesson. For example, if we have first lesson, if you have the first paragraph from first lesson, then we have to write the answer is Esha Gadyanshah Adya Krushakah Prutuvainyah Iti Pathat Udrutah. If the paragraph is from second lesson, then we have to write the answer as Esha Gadyansha Vesane Mitra Pariksha Iti Pathat Udrutah. If it is lesson number 4, then Esha Gadyansha Sa Eva Paramanuhu Iti Pathat Udrutah. If it is lesson number 9, then we have to write Esha Gadyansha Adi Shankaracharya Iti Pathat Udrutah. The next is Amar Koshat Shabdam Yojayitva Vakyam Punarlikata. That is from exercise. So 2 questions from exercise, 2 questions from Abhyas Patram in Avabodhanam. Now next is Shabdadnyanam. Now in Shabdadnyanam, Dhatu Sadit Avyaye Vibhaktanta Pade we have already discussed. त्वांत लेबंत तुमंत अव्यय ढूंढ के लिखिए, देन विभक्ति वाले शब्द ढूंढ के लिखिए. इस प्रकार के सवाल हमने प्रैक्टिस किए हैं. तो again those 4 lessons are important. Then adjective noun, sandhi. So all these questions we have to prepare from Robomet and Lakaram Likata. Now students, please mark लकारम लिखत. This question will be asked from अभ्यास पत्रम. लकारम लिखत, ये जो सवाल पूछा जाने वाला है दैट इज फ्रॉम अभ्यास पत्रम. अभ्यास पत्रम 1 2 3 4. Now this Gadya section, this Gadya section we have to solve within 50 minutes, 50 to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. It's okay if you use the entire the whole 1 hour for Gadya section, not an issue. Because in second we have to solve 2 paragraphs in this question from those 4 lesson number 1 2 then 4 and 9. Second paragraph again same questions we have here. Uchitam karanam chitva uchitam paryayam chitva vakyam punarlikhata. That is from Abhyas Patram. Then kah kam vadati purnavakyena uttarata for from exercise. Then again vakyam punarlikhitva satyam va satyam from Abhyas Patram. And again we have same question, that is Isha Gadyansha Kasmat Patat Udruta. Isha Gadyansha dash iti Patat Udruta. Then Amar Koshat Shabdam Yojayitva, that is from exercise. Now next question is Rekha Chitram Purayata, Jal Rekha Chitram Purayata, which is based on exercise. So all these 4 lessons are very important because we have total 8 marks for this question. Then question number 2E, that is Madhyam Bhashaya Saralartham Likata. Now students please mark this. For Madhyam Bhashaya Saralartha Likata, they have given us here 2 lessons, but 1 lesson is cancelled, that is Nadi Suktam is cancelled here. Don't have Nadi Suktam lesson for this question. Only Natya Stabaka, that is lesson number 6 we have for this question for 4 marks. For 4 marks, 1 lesson. It's also scoring now. The next question is Madhyam Bhashaya Uttaram Likata. Now students, for this question, Madhyam Bhashaya Uttaram Likata, we have total 5 lessons. Lesson number 1, 2, 4, 6 and 9. 1, 2, 4, 6 and 9. So, ये 5 लेसन में से कोई भी एक सवाल, 2 सवाल पूछेंगे. We have to solve one of them. Only exercise based question will be asked. एक्सरसाइज में जो क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं उसमें से ही 2 सवाल पूछेंगे, उसमें से एक हमें सॉल्व करना है फॉर 2 मार्क्स. So this entire Gadya section is for 17 marks, which we have to solve within 50 minutes. Let's move on to the next section, that is Padya section, which is for 10 marks and which we have to solve in 20 minutes. 20 मिनट में सॉल्व करना है. It's very easy again. We have here 3 poems. पद्यांशम पठित्वा निर्दिष्टः कृति कुरुतः. Total 4 poems we have here. 3 4. Question number 3 a and a. उसके लिए हमें 3 पोएम है. क्वेश्चन पोएम नंबर 3, पोएम नंबर 3 सुक्ति सुधा. poem number 5, Yugmamala, and poem number 10, that is Chitrakavya. So these three poems we have for question number 3A and 3A. All exercise is important. Huh? Just be prepared the whole exercises. Questions will be asked from the exercises only. Then question number E. Question number 3E, that is Madhyam Bhashaya Saralartham Likata. Only Vachan Prashansa. Poem number 6 will be asked. Sorry, 7. Poem number 7, Vachan Prashansa will be asked. Manavta Dharma is not there. It is cancelled. So, poem number 7, Vachan Prashansa for 4 marks. And these 3 poems for Shloka Purti and exercise for 4 marks. So 4 and 4, 8 and 2 marks for Vachan Prashansa. So sorry, for Vachan Prashansa we have only 2 marks. पद्य शुद्धे पूर्णेच्या लिखत, that means completion, श्लोक completion के लिए 4 marks है and 4 marks for exercise. So total 10 marks we have for Padya section, which we have to solve in 20 minutes. Let's move on to the next section, that is fourth section, Chaturtha Vibhaga Bhasha Abhyasa. Now Chaturtha Vibhaga Bhasha Abhyasa based on grammar. Now very first question, Pruthak Karnam, Namani Sarvanamani cha Pruthak Kuruta and Kriya Padani Dhatu Sadit Visheshanani cha Pruthak Kuruta. For this both questions we have to draw the same column as given in the question, as given in the question paper. But students, please mark this point that we have to draw both these columns by using pen, not by pencil. Pen से ही draw करना है. Don't use pencil for any aspect. For any diagram, any web diagram to underline word, don't use pencil. Use only pen. Then question second, Nirdishtaha Krutihi Kuruta. First question is based on Sankhya Visheshanani. Then second is Samas Vigraha. Third is Samanarthak Virudharthak. And fourth is Yogyam Paryayam Chunuta. Now students, Sankhya Krama Avruti Vachakasya Yogyam Paryayam Chitva Vakyam Punalikata. This question is based on Bhasha Abhyas section. We have Sankhya Visheshanani topic in our textbook. The Jidnyasa Patram of the same topic is important for this question. Then for Samas Vigraha, Samas Nama Bhi Melanam Kuruta. We have to solve Abhyas Patram 1, 2, 3, 4. The questions are given in Abhyas Patram 1, 2, 3, 4. The same questions will be asked for this question. Then Manjushatah Samanarthak Virudharthak Shabdan Chinuta. For this third question, we have to refer all exercises, all poetry and prose exercises. And the last question, Yogyam Paryayam Chinuta, Vachyam Adhari Krutya, Tvam Bhavan Adhari Krutya, Vishesha Adhari Krutya. These 3 questions are based on Abhyas Patram 1, 2, 3, 4. Abhyas Patram 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means the entire paper is based on either exercise or Abhyas Patram. So please be prepared both these things, all exercises and Abhyas Patram. Then last question that is question number 4E. Vishishta Vibhaktehe Upyogam Krutva Vakya Nirmanam Kuruta. Now this question is based on page number 78. Sorry, 72 of your textbook, which is given here in the instruction. Page number 72 of your textbook. Those 10 words are given in your textbook in one yellow patch. Those words will be asked for this question for 2 marks. 4 words will be given. Any 2 words you have to write. You have to write the vibhakti and sentence. So the Bhasha Abhyas section is for 10 marks, which we have to solve in 30 minutes. So here we have completed our paper pattern and time management. The simple instruction is solve all exercises, solve all Abhyas Patram, and practice Madhyam Bhashaya from Master Key. That's it. धन्यवादः. शुभं भवतु. कल्याणमस्तु. नमो नमः.